If it's time to buy or sell CoreWeave Class A common stock, in this video, we are diving deep into CoreWeave Class A common stock. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 9th of June, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 1st of May 2025, our system has ranked CoreWeave Class A common stock as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 1.41. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. Those who followed our analysis would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 265.75% since we first listed CoreWeave Class A common stock as a buy candidate 27 days ago. This translates to an average return of 9.84% per day since it was listed as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned in the upper section of a very broad and robust upward trend in the short term. This situation often presents an excellent selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back toward the lower part of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $169.49 will initially signal a stronger rate of increase. Our latest daily update for CoreWeave Class A common stock includes the headline, Significant Movements in CoreWeave Inc. Class A common stock price on Monday, moving 13.29% between high and low. The CoreWeave Inc. Class A common stock price gained 15.65% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 9th of June, 2025, rising from $140.16 to $162.10. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated 13.29% from a low of $144.14 to a high of $163.29. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days and has increased by 57.78% over the past 2 weeks. Volume also increased on the last day, along with the price, marking a positive technical sign. In total, 6 million more shares were traded compared to the day before, with 29 million shares bought and sold for approximately $4.71 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $166.60, while the lowest price was $33.52. Currently, the price is 2.70% or $4.50 below the 52-week high of $166.60, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. CoreWeave, trading under the ticker CRWV, has seen a remarkable surge today, with shares rising over 14% to $160.57. This significant increase comes on the heels of strong industry momentum in artificial intelligence infrastructure, as investors assess CoreWeave's pivotal role in this rapidly expanding sector. The company has been solidifying its market position through lucrative partnerships with major players like OpenAI, underpinning its robust growth potential. Analysts are highlighting CoreWeave as a key player against competitors such as NVIDIA, especially as the AI landscape continues to evolve. The stock's upward trajectory may reflect a broader recovery in the U.S. equity market, driven by positive economic indicators and rising confidence in the economy. With Deutsche Bank recently adjusting its S&P 500 target upward, a favorable market backdrop could continue to support stock performance. In the short term, this price spike may attract new investors, further fueling demand and possibly pushing the stock higher. Long-term, CoreWeave's strong infrastructure, recurring revenue streams, and a growing client base position it well to capitalize on the ongoing AI boom. As firms increasingly seek out AI capabilities, CoreWeave is likely to benefit significantly, ensuring both sustained revenue growth and potentially expanded profit margins. This combination of factors could lead to a more robust valuation and heightened investor interest, consolidating CRWV's stance as a valuable asset in the tech portfolio. analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 22nd of May 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned CRWV a market performed rating with an initialize action. On Wednesday, the 21st of May 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned CRWV a neutral rating with a hold action. On Thursday, the 15th of May 2025, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned CRWV a neutral rating with a hold action. On Thursday, the 15th of May 2025, it was reported that Jefferies assigned CRWV a buy rating with a hold action. On Thursday, the 15th of May 2025, it was reported that Barclays assigned CRWV an overweight rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned CoreWeave Class A common stock a general strong sell rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell as well. Regarding return on investment, analysts also rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for CoreWeave Class A common stock. The CoreWeave Inc. Class A common stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. A general buy signal is present as the short-term average is above the long-term average. On any downward corrections, support is anticipated from the levels at 140.34 and 81.5. A decline below these levels will trigger sell signals. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, known as MACD. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a favorable technical signal. However, some negative signals have also been observed, potentially impacting the near-term outlook. A sell signal emerged from a pivot top point on Wednesday, June 4, 2025, with the stock experiencing a decline of 0.613% thus far. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some additional signals that may interest you. The moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots show a sell signal from 4 days ago. The short-term moving average suggests a sell signal from 9 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal from 28 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages gives a buy signal from 26 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicates a buy signal from 28 days ago. The long-term moving average also shows a buy signal from 28 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages presents a buy signal from 19 days ago. For more signals, please visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for CoreWeave Class A common stock. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level, from accumulated volume at $150.48 and $135.05. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level may lead to a decline to the next support level. In this instance, CoreWeave Inc. Class A common stock finds support just below today's level at $150.48. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $135.05 and $123.97. This stock may experience significant movement during the day, indicating high volatility. With a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be at very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $19.15 between its high and low, equivalent to 13.29%. For the past week, the stock has exhibited a daily average volatility of 15.12%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for CoreWeave Class A common stock, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors outside their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest ongoing profitability issues and possible bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 13th of August, 2025. Analysts currently estimate a loss of 230 thousandths of a dollar. it is important to keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly affect stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for CoreWeave Class A common stock. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for CoreWeave Class A common stock is at $163.10. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this might be a consideration for swing trading. On the downside, CoreWeave Class A common stock has its first support level at $150.48. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for CoreWeave Class A common stock from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider transactions were conducted by McB Brannan, who bought and sold 2,058,060 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 23 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of 48.818. Overall, insiders acquired 2,287,739 shares and divested 649,361 shares in the last 23 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $155.96, indicating a decrease of 3.79%. This stock exhibits very high daily fluctuations, which contributes to a significant level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal stemming from a pivot top that was identified 3 days ago. Is CoreWeave Class A common stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, combined with an overall positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a reasonable chance for CoreWeave Inc. Class A common stock to perform well in the near future. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since our last evaluation, moving it from a hold accumulate to a buy candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 10th of June, we anticipate that CoreWeave Class A common stock will open lower by $5.59, beginning trading at $156.51. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using the information provided, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.